Hello, little scientists. Are you ready for a sky adventure and a tiny science mystery? Today's story is called Drippy the Raindrop Sky Adventure. Let's read and discover science together. In a bright meadow, Drippy the Raindrop bounced. Boing! Hi! I'm Drippy. I'm tiny, but I can travel through the sky. What do you think happens to water on a sunny day? The sun smiled. Hello. Warm sunshine hugged the puddle. Drippy felt tingly. Wiggle, wiggle. I feel warm. Whoa, Drippy whispered. I'm getting lighter. Lighter. Poof. Drippy floated up like invisible mist. Warm sun can make water go up. Up in the air, Drippy met tiny mist friends. Hi, 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 they giggled. They held hands. Let's stick together. They started to make a cloud. The cloud grew fluffy and big. Drippy peeked out. I'm in a cloud. I'm a sky snack. Clouds are made of tiny water drops. Brr. The air got cooler. Drippy shivered. Brr, brr. More tiny drops joined the cloud. It got heavy. Very heavy. Uh-oh, said Drippy. This cloud feels like a giant water balloon. Do you think we will float or fall? Plip, plip, plop. Drippy and friends fell from the cloud. Rain. Whee! Drippy laughed. When clouds get heavy, rain falls down. Drippy landed with a splash, back on the ground. Hello, puddle, Drippy smiled. I'm home again. And guess what? Water can travel like this again and again. The sun winked. The cloud waved. Drippy sparkled. This is called the water cycle. Water goes up, makes clouds, then comes down as rain. And we can watch it in the sky, everywhere. Great listening readers. Now that you've heard the whole story, let's learn some new words together. Are you ready? Let's go to vocabulary time. Evaporate means when water warms and goes up into the air. Water can evaporate on a sunny day. Mist means tiny water drops floating in the air. Drippy became mist. Cloud means a fluffy group of tiny water drops in the sky. The mist made a cloud. Rain means water that falls from clouds. Rain fell down. Plip, plip, plop. Water cycle means water traveling up into clouds and down again. The water cycle happens again and again. Awesome job learning the new words. You did amazing. Now, let's see how much you remember from the story. Get your thinking caps on. It's time for reading comprehension. What warmed the puddle? A. The sun. B. A sandwich. C. A shoe. What did Drippy become when floating up? A. Mist. B. A rock. C. A toy. What are clouds made of? A. Tiny water drops. B. Candy. C. Sand. Why did it start to rain? A. The cloud got heavy. B. The cloud went to sleep. C. The cloud turned into a tree. What is the big idea of the story? A. Water travels in a cycle. B. Water disappears forever. see, water turns into popcorn. Look at our mind map. The sun makes water go up, evaporate. Up in the sky, water makes a cloud. Then water falls down as rain. That's the water cycle, again and again. Thank you for joining me on this sky science adventure, little scientists. Just like Drippy, you can explore big ideas one tiny step at a time. If you want to sound more natural in English, watch again and shadow the lines with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cute science stories here on StoryPop English. See you next time. Bye-bye.